Greetings. Thank you for spending some of your time with me on this rainy day here where I live. I know you get rain too, wherever you live at different days than I do. Gray skies. The rain is beautiful though, and it nourishes so many things except for when you have flooding. I know that's climate change, and that's a topic that I'm willing to discuss, but for now, in this moment, I am just enjoying the sound of the rain and the puddles. Isn't it pretty? The puddles are very pretty, all these little circles. It's the circle of life. Here we go, walking in the rain. The sound is beautiful. My umbrella wants to be in the camera. Woo. Balancing act. There's a tree. So lovely. And then when you see the raindrops on the greenery, look at that beauty. Look at the little droplets and the sound. It's beautiful. Let's discover greenery with the rain. Such beauty. Beauty and grace. Wildness of land. Remember the yellow? Again, what I said, someone told me this was called a Russian violet. They're doing good. Big tree. Big tree. Hey, I don't know why I just thought of this. So there's a show on. So I grew up in the 80s. Oh no, I just told my age. Uh-oh. Ha ha ha. And there was a show called Big Bucks, no whammies, no whammies. And they just did a remake of it. So it's back on TV again. The remake version. Big bucks, no whammies, no whammies. That's what made me think of it. Big tree, big tree. No weeds, no weeds. But hey, weeds, I don't know, are greenery too, aren't they? Tell me that when I'm doing my yard work. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that droplet in there. Wow. Hope the camera's focusing. Such beauty and grace. Wow. Nature. So spectacular. So thank you for spending some of your moments with me once again. I am sincerely appreciative of it. The leaves are waving at you, thanking you as well, saying thank you. May you enjoy some greenery in your day as well. Again, grace, thank you from me to you.